The root chair, a very unique chair indeed. Despite the fact this chair is missing the back support, it features a unique element, the bell-bronze Himalayan singing bowl. The bowl that is sturdy and conveniently attached to the bottom of the sitting area acts as an incredible source of vibration. Since our body is not used to this kind of vibrotactile exposure, the body seems to be vibrating in an unprecedented and uncontrolled way. The benefits of such kind of exposure are numerous. Beside the fact that we are tonifying or stimulating the cerebrospinal fluid, which is contained in our spine, and it's by many considered the dew of life, we are also stimulating the nervous system, the meridian system, and basically all the systems that are in the body. It's an incredible opportunity to add this tool to your existing collection of sound therapy tools, particularly for the one-to-one practice. We tap the bowl with intensity level 50, and the bowl will ring to infinity. In case you're interested, see link below.